29? Yeah, coming 29. Veronica is still single. 18. This is Gian, 18 years old. And Pooja is 20. 20?
29.
29? Same age. 29, 29, 18.
29.
Yeah. But the birthday, when is your birthday?
19.
When?
1990.
Month and date.
2 months. Who was this? Do you like it? You want?
I have already.
Okay, give me sometimes it's not.
Glass ka. Be, dyan. It's 25. Veronica, can you read this, Veronica? Veronica. Wait. Oh. Read this one. Read. Read.
Which one? How old? I'm 29.
Morning.
Do you want more? It's enough. Thank you so much.
Ano yan? Dates na.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Umupo ka kasi, Gian. Para ano? She don't like to sit. Halika na. You'll not become tall.
Okay.
Miss Halima, how old are you? This Gian asking.
Yeah?
Yeah. Ano?
Your age. Me? Yeah. What do you think? What do you think?
28.
28?
29, 28.
29. You say 1990.
That's easy question, actually.
Also?
Whatever you think about the most focus on a concentrate on
Data
will
birth?
definitely manifest in your
born
future.
years.
Yeah, I don't know what to
1996, 1995, like that.
Maybe
Wait.
I'm
You think?
I'm working until I become 60.
Because you're 29.
I'm afraid to become old.
Did you forget your age?
Put your this
No,
one.
no. But my real birthday different, but my
Nasaan na ba yun,
You
Veronica?
can calculate.
Baroni. Nasaan ka ba ilalagay
29 maybe.
Yeah.
Different.
Forget.
Oh no.
1992. She's older than you. 1992.
Oh no. What will happen?
Different.
Yeah, but my age.
Veronica is beautiful. Yeah. She is beautiful
Yeah.
and she's single.
2027. Wow.
Too much.
Guys, we're eating dates.
Last month your birthday.
Miss Halima gave us. Thank you so much, Miss Halima.
So now you 30.
30?
30.
Coming 30 or
1992. No, 1995.
you?
But in ID 92.
Just
Why not say?
why like
Because
that?
for passport like that, she working and more age. If underage,
More
she
age.
cannot go another.